Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested about our product, remember to focus at our YouTube and Facebook account. And today I will show you some of our product. You can look at it here. Yes, this is our injector repair kit. Yes, if you are interested, please follow me. Let's check the details for this one, okay? First, you can look at it here. On this part, you can see there has a label on this part, right? And in the first line, it's the model numbers. It's the 6406003 C7C9. Yes, on the last line, you can see it's the product name, Injector Repair Kit, right? And for our product, it's recyclable and it can be used in many times. And also, we supply the customized services. If you want to design your own label or your own bag, and we can supply you this kind of customized services. Yes. And okay, I thought it's time for us to open it to see the inside part. Yes, let's open it to see the inside of our product. And also we have the fuel injector on this part. This is our fuel injector. You can look at it here, and I will open it. You can see the inside part of our repair kit. This is a fuel injector, and for this part, this is a fuel injector repair kit. And after we open the bags, and you can see this is our product. It had the black sealing rings, and we have the white sealing rings, the red, and also we have the small sealing rings from this part. The cap, also with the steel stick, and has a 4 screw here. And you can first you can look at it here, and for this kind of black sealing rings, it's the outside part. It can be used in the outside part. You can look at it here, right? And this is the black one, and you can put it here. And also we have the red one. Yes, the red one. And from this kind of the small types of the sealing rings, it can be put the inside part. And for the black one is for the outside part. And also we have this kind of nozzle cap. And you can see here, this is a nozzle, right? And you can put it on this part. This is the cap used in the nozzle. Yes. And also we have the blue, and the small black, the sealing rings. And from this part, you can see there had the 4 screw in this part. And you can put the 4 screw in here. When you exchange the accessories, this is put in this part. And actually, this is a whole side for our fuel injector. Yes, any information if you are not familiar with, you can contact us and about how to use it. Yes, and we will help you. Okay, that's all the details about our product. And actually, we have the many kind of product. If you are not familiar with the model numbers, you can send us the detailed information so we can help you. To check it, and also you can download the app. Okay. Actually, maybe some customers, if you're curious about the warranties about our product, for our product, we had the 6 months warranties. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all the details about our product. Actually, my next topic will be more exciting, and we have each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested, please follow us at the YouTube and the Facebook account. Okay, yes. Except that we also supply you the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, and the parts for the pumps. Any items, if you are interested, remember to contact us. Yes. Okay. Today, that's all about our product. If you want to see more details, focus on our YouTube and Facebook account. Yes. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.